Hello all, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn about jailbreak detection. So we know that in order to install tweaks, we require our iOS device to be jailbroken. Jailbreak detection is a mechanism which is implemented by most of the developers so that the application cannot work on jailbroken devices. Why do developers implement this? Jailbreaking a device basically means getting the root access of the device. And the application developers do not want you to run their application on root privileges, since this might cause harm to the application. So, what does the developer do? The developers implement jailbreak detection. However, some developers do not consider jailbreak detection as a best practice. For those who consider it and who implement jailbreak detection, there's a high probable chance that they might not have implemented it properly. So jailbreak detection bypass can be bypassed in various methods. We're going to look at 5 methods of bypassing jailbreak detection. Let's start with the first one. The first one is using Frida. Now Frida is a tool which hooks a particular script with your application. This hooking of script helps you to bypass jailbreak detection or bypass other functionality. So what does the script do? The script basically has certain controls using which it's going to manipulate the response that is coming from the application. So let's understand this in a very simplified manner. So let's say there's an application wherein the jailbreak detection has been implemented. As soon as you open the particular application, the jailbreak detection function detects that the device has been jailbroken and it's going to send you a response. Let's say the response is true. Jailbreak detection is true, which basically means that jailbreak has been implemented or jailbreak or this device is jailbroken. What Frida is going to do in that case is the response that was received that was true. Frida is going to convert this response from true to false and it's going to pass it. Now, since the response has been converted from true to false and has been passed to the application thinks that the device is not jailbroken and it bypasses the jailbreak check and continues to use the application. So this is how exactly how Frida works. Now, in order to bypass the jailbreak detection, you first have to install Frida. This can be seen in the previous video. You can install Frida. It's very simple. You have to check the application package ID or the application identifier bundle by using the command frida-ps-ua. We have already talked about this command before. And then you have to hook the jailbreak script. The jailbreak script could be found over here in codeshare.frida.re, the link which I've mentioned. Do not worry. In the tips and tricks section, I have given a particular resource wherein all the Frida scripts are present over there. So you just have to visit that particular link and I have collected all the different Frida scripts from different sources and have created them and merged them inside a GitHub repository. The link for which would be seen in the next to next section, that is the tips and tricks section. So in order to hook the Frida script, you have to write Frida-u-f. In dash f, you have to mention the package ID, which we have found using Frida-ps-ua, and then mention dash l, and then give the jailbreak script, which can be downloaded. So once you do that, you have to hit enter, and then Frida is going to do all the work for you, and it's going to bypass the jailbreak detection for you. So it's the demo time, and let's check out how jailbreak detection can be bypassed using Frida. So what I'm going to do is first I'm going to download this particular script. So all I'm going to do is I'm first going to write frida-ps-ua, and now you can see that my application is not running currently. I'm going to open the application and now I'm going to again write the command frida-ps-ua. It's very important for you to note that your application must be running in background for Frida to identify the device identifier or the application identifier. So once you have the DVI version 2's identifier, I'm going to go inside jailbreak and I'm going to test all the jailbreak methods. So you can see devices jailbroken. For jailbreak test 2, it's jailbroken. Test 3, device is jailbroken. You can see the error message was different this time, which means there's a different jailbreak check which has been implemented. For 4, again, the error is different. And for jailbreak test 5, again, the error is different. So you can see there are 5 jailbreak tests, and we are going to bypass all of these 5 different jailbreak tests. For 5, you can see once we click on OK, the application has been exited. So I'm again going to go inside the application and I'm going to open the screen. Now what we are going to do is we are going to download this jailbreak.js script. You can simply go onto this particular link, the link for which I would be giving in the description section. You can just copy the link, paste it onto Google, and you would be able to see this particular page. Once you see this particular page, you can copy the script. You can also check out different scripts by simply Googling it out. Do not worry, I have compiled all the scripts as I said before. I would be given the link for the compiled script into the video. So please do watch that video as well. For now, we are going to use the script which we have already mentioned. All you have to do is you have to copy it. Okay, I'm just going to fast forward this. Yeah, so you have to copy this and you have to paste it inside the text editor. Once you paste it, save this file using any file name what you want. You can save it with whatever file name you want. I have saved it with jailbreak. Make sure that the extension for the same would be JS, because Frida basically takes JavaScript based scripts, so your extension should be JS. Sorry, I've saved it as Frida.js, and all I have to do is now go on to my command and I have to write the command, that is Frida dash u dash f, Frida space dash u dash f. I'm going to mention the identifier, which in our case is com.highaltitudehacks.db Swift version 2 dash L. And I'm going to mention the script name. So for the script name, it is frida.js. And I'm going to click on enter. Once I click on enter, you can see that my application got exited. And now it's again open by hooking the Frida script. So you have to keep the terminal running. And now if you try to test the jailbreak device, you can see device is not jailbroken. So what did Frida do? Frida basically took the response from the application and it modified the response and it bypassed it. So you can see device is not jailbroken. You can click on OK. You can see it was start64 bypass. It's a bypass technique name. And for the second one as well, you can see device is not jailbroken. Third one, device is not jailbroken. Fourth one is again device not jailbroken. And fifth one is again device not jailbroken. So we successfully bypassed the jailbreak detection using Frida. So this was first technique using which you can bypass jailbreak detection. If you come across any application using which Frida is not helping you out to bypass it, do not worry. There are other methods as well. We are going to look at each and every method in detail. So this was just the first method. There are more methods to come. So that's it for this particular video. Thank you.